Hello YouTube, Dano here. This here's an old tool haul from a couple of years ago. It's a bunch of stuff I got in a Snap-on box. The guy, I guess he used to work with steel a lot. He had a whole bunch of these things. That's the electrician set. I got 3 more of these. Got the arbors, various size bits. That one's got some 5/16 ones in it, 4 of them. This one's got 2 3/4 ones in there, all brand new. There's a couple of used ones there. There's a 4-inch, 3.5 inch, I guess 2 1/4, 2 3/4. There's a bunch there. That's 2 3/8. But yeah, most of them are all Starrett. And then there's a bunch of these. I don't know if you're going to be able to focus on these or not. I'll put them the right way. Focus, you fuck. I don't know if you can read that or not. But they're countersink bits. 4 of them there. There's various 10-packs of drill bits. This one's just jam full of small ones. That one there's jam full of more. But yeah, not a bad little haul. I don't know. I got a question for you. How much do you think all these would be worth? Sell it maybe. Who knows? Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Hey, Dano out.